Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. James here, as ever, for today's ACCA video, where I'm going to walk and talk you through me opening my ACCA Fellow Certificate. Now, if this is the first time you've ever visited my channel before, hello there, my name is James, I'm an ACCA qualified member from the UK, and on my channel I help out accounting students become qualified accountants for free. So if that's of interest to you, make sure you hit the subscribe button at the bottom, and of course as well, make sure you leave me a comment what you've been thinking of the videos on the channel or any questions that I can help out with, because all my videos are dedicated to my lovely subscribers, and today is no different because, as you can see at the bottom here, Jahansen, thank you so much for the lovely comment. Honestly, it just makes my day seeing these. But Jahansev, I'm going to take you to that hero level, my friend, where the fellow certificate in here is what you get 5 years after becoming a qualified member. So I'm going to take that as hero status in the ACCA world, where you can have your member certificate, as you can see on the side here. And then we're going to have the fellow one in here as well. So if this is the sort of video that you like, give it a massive thumbs up below so that more people can see these videos. And this is the sort of package that you'd get through. It's really light, to be honest with you, on here. But I thought I can't lose this one because it's got the ACCA brand on there. And also you can see on the screen with our high budget YouTube channel that you get your name on here, but it's those key 4 letters at the end of the of your name there, the FCCA, which stands for fellow. I've also had to unfortunately cover my address. I mean, as much as I'd love for all of my subscribers to turn up to my mum's house, I don't think she would very much appreciate it on there, but who knows, maybe we can sort out a party in the future. And for anyone wondering, because I thought about where am I going to record this video, Sunday night, got to get it done. This isn't me on the side here as well. This is my brother. I didn't make the cut, I'm afraid, but maybe this certificate might do on here. So let's get it opened. We've only got one shot on it. We've got the tape on here. So just pop it open from the back. Oh, there we go. Lovely stuff. And I'm going to do this because obviously I'm such a professional now at recording on our high budget YouTube channel. But this is what it looks like as you open it. So you've got your ACCA membership on there. And then, let's pop it down here. Oh, this is where I mustn't break it on film. That wouldn't be very good, would it? Right, let's pop that over there. So this is the sort of package that you get on there. Ooh, very nice. And here we go. So you open it up. We've got a nice little letter on here. And also, I'm going to have to put, oh, here's the certificate. We've got 2 sheets of paper. Now, I'm going to have to put the certificate on top of the letter because it's also got my ACCA details on here, which wouldn't be very good of me on there to have. So I've got the number on there, but as you can see, we've got a nice little letter there from Helen Brand, who is the chief exec of ACCA. And as you can see on the screen, we've got fellow on there. But let me just read out a couple of the bits which link into the certificate. So it's for 5 years of continuous membership. Congratulations. I enclose the actual FCCA certificate. You can now use the FCCA letters after your name to denote your seniority and your commitments to the professionalism on there. And here you go, that it's got it for 2022 on here. And there it is. James Wright, fellow. Fantastic. Well guys, short and sweet video for us today. If you have any requests for the actual channel, and I'd love to hear where my subscribers actually watch these videos all around the world, be sure to leave me a comment with any requests. Let me know where you're tuning in from. And as well, give this video a massive like and a thumbs up, and I'll be sure to get the fellow certificate also put in a different frame as well, with more content linking what I've been doing after when I've qualified ACCA, and then where I sort of see myself going now that I've hit FCCA on there. But the main thing is that you keep enjoying the videos. I absolutely love making them, so be sure to leave me those requests. Like this video and also subscribe so you don't miss out on any others, because if you do, that could be the difference in you getting qualified hitting those 50+ marks on your examinations, and who knows, we could meet up at an ACCA CPD event in years to come. I mean, what a delight on there. But as always on that bombshell, we'll see you next time. Cheers!